Round 1.
Hamza, online, I hear you making plenty of comments about the Gospels. Yeah, so you seem to be presenting content in relation to the historicity of the Gospels and so on, even claiming that the Gospels are really gossips, not Gospels. Would you like to have a debate on comparing the historicity of Islam and Christianity? Why not?
Ask him what's in Injil.
Why not? Why not?
Listen.
Why put a microphone in my face?
Yeah, but yeah. Why not? Why not have a?
Question, I said no.
Why not?
Ask him what's in Injil.
Because you can't defend Islam's historicity.
Okay, here's the thing, you see. Shut up, madman. Okay. Here's the accusation I get, right? I come to Speaker's Corner, and when I speak to Christians, I only speak to weak Christians who don't know their faith. And one second. And I don't speak to the intelligent Christians. But the problem is, you guys just want to speak about Islam.
No, I want to speak about both. I want to speak about both. Historicity of the origin of Islam versus the origin of Christianity. I want to compare. Your excuse doesn't hold water.
I don't care. I don't care, mate.
Do you know how Islam began?
I'll say it again to you. I don't care. Right?
You don't care about Islam?
To defend the reliability of the New Testament, you're more than welcome.
Both. I want you to defend the reliability of how Islam started versus how Christianity started.
What you want. I don't care what you want.
I'm not forcing. I'm trying to engage in a conversation. Now, excuse me, sir. I'm trying to ask him. If you can stay quiet, that'll be lovely.
I'll say it again to you. I'm not interested in any discussion now with you.
In other words, you can't. Can I? Any reason why?
I've got no interest in. I'm not interested.
No, you gave a reason, and the reason was that we speak only about the Quran. I'm saying both sides. Time debate of some sort.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
Online, maybe.
I'm not interested.
StreamYard online.
Not interested.
Not interested. So Hamza can't defend. Hamza can't comparatively.
Not to.
Why not?
I don't want to.
Because you can't. I'm
I don't want
assuming.
to.
Look, people at Speaker's Corner, I tried Mansoor.
Please stop begging.
It's not
I'm not
begging.
begging.
Mansoor can't defend. So in other words, you simply can't defend. Not interested in defending Islam. So my dear friends, for all Muslims who are watching, Hamza, Mansoor, Hashim, and so on, simply can't defend the historicity of how Islam began. Now, I know Hamza said that he wants the historicity of the Bible defended. I'm quite happy. And that's where I offer to do simultaneously both. Which religion at its origin is historically credible? How many Muslims would like Hamza to defend Islam's origin? How many Muslims? How many people here would like the historicity of the origin of Islam versus origin of Christianity defended? How many?
Hamza, who are you?
Can you tell us briefly, educate the crowd?
Well, there are Islamic apologists like Hamza, Mansoor, Hashim, who show up regularly at the park. And what we do as Christians, we are courageous. We are brave.
True Christians, not like Christian runs for his life.
Yes, we are courageous. We are brave. We are here to defend the historicity of how Christianity started. And this is where I'm really hoping people such as Hamza, Mansoor, or Hashim are willing to defend a similar thing with Islam. So I'd like to really do something which is comparative. Hamza, you might be tired today. How about maybe online sometime? Sometime during the week? What do you think? Maybe if I come to your den, can we have a time debate of some sort? The lion seems to be sleeping. Would you like a hibernation, Hamza? Why are you upset? I know. Is it just because?
Speaker's Corner there.
Is it, Hamza? Is it just because you simply can't do it? You know, but sure.
More important people to speak to than you.
That's the same answer.
I mean, Hamza, when are you planning to debate this with myself or someone like John or someone? When would you like to debate?
Listen to me. You came here, yes?
I'm not debating.
I said
I'm not debating.
I'll question you. What did I say when I came here? Remind me. Can you shut up, you madman?
YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube, they
What did I
run
say?
away.
I asked you if we could debate both.
What did I say?
You said you can't do this debate because you are interested.
No, before that.
Because you're interested. Because you're interested. Okay.
What's my initial response?
Please enlighten me. What did you say before?
No. You tell me what my initial response was.
I can't remember. I'm really hoping that we're not dealing with. I'm really hoping that we're not dealing with minor details. One second. We. I'm, please. Sure. I'm.
You are a girl.
Hamza.
Don't spit on me.
Okay, but
Don't spit on me. Don't spit on me. You hear me?
Sure.
You hear me?
Sure.
Don't spit on me. Don't spit on me.
No, he's a lion. He is a lion in his den. Hamza, when can we do this? I know it could be. I know it could. Oops, sorry.
1-to-1, man.
seems like an
Man against
excuse,
man.
isn't it?
What are you? And you say you put your big girl pants on?
Please.
Big girl pants on? Big girl pants on? You say no?
My friend, please. We're trying to have a.
Your money is coming from
Can you put the camera on the Christians?
Where is the money coming from?
Christians in Speaker's Corner.
No, Hamza. The Muslim at Speaker's Corner. The lion is sleeping. And so we need to focus on that. We're really focused on. Yeah, please remind me, Hamza. What did you say first?
YouTube is paying you to say no? Hamza, what happened?
Deep. Why? Hamza, let's be honest, Hamza. Hamza, when you get back to your den, maybe you can sleep a little bit. Sir, one second. So, Hamza, what do you think? Shall we?
I've got one thing to say.
Yeah, please.
The majestic lion need not respond to the barking of dogs.
Sure, that's fine. So what now? So in other words, I don't have to respond to you. That's fine. But I'd like you to now bark a little bit, please. So what are your details in relation to the origin of
Stop
Islam?
begging. Stop begging.
So my dear Muslim friends, Hamza thinks asking him to defend Islam is begging. Please stop donating. Yeah, relax. Shall we do that? Relaxed discussion.
Discussions. That's all I do.
Look, I didn't bring my.
The barking of dogs.
I didn't bring.
The barking of dogs.
I didn't bring my picnic chair, but I can have a relaxed conversation with you.
I'll say it again for you. Look. What did I say when you first came here?
You said you want to have a picnic night right now. Is that what you said? Please correct me, please.
I'm going to go get a cup of tea.
Sure. It's better to run away than to engage and defend Islam. Yeah.
Don't push. Let's not be angry. Hamza, let's be calm. Right?
Just want to get a cup of tea. Can you get out of my way?
Oh, you want to get a cup
That's
of
fine. Just
Thank you.
request. That's fine. Why? That's fine. Why? So, my dear Muslim friends,
He ran for his life.
are you Muslim, sir? Yes. Yeah. You see, please come here. Are you from London?
No, from Manchester.
From Manchester. Are you aware of gentlemen like Hamza, Ali Dawa,
Yeah, of course.
Mansoor, Hashim? Why do all of them run away when we ask them to defend the historicity of Islam?
No one runs away. It's the opposite.
Well, check it out
We are here to
on YouTube.
debate and talk whatever you want. Like they're all here.
Yeah, but please, so on YouTube, the channel is called Operation Stephen.
Yeah.
Over the next few days, check out the video from today. You see my blue T-shirt. You see my stuff. From today, check out the video. You will see how all of them ran away. Mansoor, Hashim, Hamza, Ali Dawa.
I don't think they're running away. No one's running.
What are they doing then? When we request for intelligent conversations, they don't want to engage. What is that? How would you describe
I
that?
think the best opportunity is to get everyone around, have a diligent talks one by one.
Absolutely.
And
Can you please convince Hamza? There he is. Please speak to him. please speak to Hamza and let him know this, please. Please. Yeah, Hamza, please. Just let him know. It's very important for him to have intelligent conversation. Please let him know.
Round 2.
We would like to have debates. Why? It's okay, but it's good to hear him talk and see what he's. What's the reason?
I don't have to give a reason.
I think there is
I
something.
don't care what you think.
Why?
I don't.
I understand, but
You see? Do you see how hopeless things are here at the park?
it's not hopeless. I think there's a lot of arrogance and integrations coming in from. It's not about being who's right and who's wrong, right? Everyone
it's
has their own
about-
beliefs, and it's good to support.
It's about
them.
who is able to defend and who is not able to defend. That's what this is about. Hamza claims that he has a den, but he comes here to sleep. Can you believe that? Hamza comes here to sleep and have his Costa coffee, the coffee from.
No one sleeps here.
What does he do, Hamza? What do you do for a living? Do you defend Islam at all? Don't get angry, Hamza, please. I'm trying to have a friendly conversation. When would you like to ultimately defend Islam at all?
Stop begging.
I'm not begging. I'm just trying to see if Islam has legs to stand on. I'm just trying to see if at least Hamza could save Islam. That's what I'm trying to say.
If someone doesn't want to discuss with you, have some courtesy and just do one.
Sure. But when people are giving you much money,
You know what the definition of madness is, isn't it? What's that? Do you know what the definition of madness is?
I know what madness is.
What's a madness?
In terms of when people are asking you for genuine questions, you'd like to.
That's not madness.
It's not madness.
No, that's not madness.
Madness, MADNESS.
Yeah, madness.
Okay, I thought you were talking about
It's
manners.
repeating the same thing, expecting a different result.
Clearly, the gentleman wasn't here before. He thought people like you would defend Islam. So it's not repeating the same thing, Hamza. But I completely understand.
Islam doesn't need to be defended.
Islam can't be defended. That's the more technical way of putting this.
No.
Please, Hamza thinks that you can defend, but he can't.
I'm not defending nothing.
Yeah.
Islam is his own perspective, his own views, way different to Christianity, Judaism.
Yeah,
one
I
needs to
completely understand.
No one needs to be debating things like that. Everyone has got their own reasons and views.
No, no, with you on this, I agree very simply. I agree on two things, as a matter of fact. One, your expectation that Hamza should defend, I completely agree. And number two, I completely agree. Christianity is very different to Islam.
I'm not here for these pigeons. No. That's the first thing. Okay. Second thing, when he came to me, and asked me, I said to him, look, I get accused of picking on weak Christians here who don't know their Bible, okay, and don't know Christianity. I said, and I get told that I avoid all the knowledgeable Christians, right? The problem is, the knowledgeable Christians don't want to talk about Christianity. They want to talk about Islam.
What did I tell you? Did I not tell you we can do both?
No, you come in a different way. You're coming in like, defend Islam. It's not about defending
No.
Islam.
No. One second. I am saying, let's do a discussion. One second. What I am saying is, let's do comparison of defense of Islam and Christianity. Do you think that's not fair? Both at the same time.
No.
It's not fair.
No, why are you trying to compare two different things?
Well, because I am a Christian, he is a Muslim. So if we want to have a conversation, we would need to deal with both. That's fair, isn't it?
You could express
Why-
your points, but
Why does he not want to talk about Islam?
I'm gonna be honest. Every time I watch your videos and you argue with people, you scream over people constantly.
Sure.
It's
Now
not
be
a nice.
dishonest and tell me something else.
No, this is what I see.
I see.
I'm clearly just saying.
Thank you.
I've watched
Now-
many videos of this brother.
Did you watch any of his video with me?
Yes,
When was that?
I can't.
He doesn't
recall.
do it. Do you know why? He
what?
doesn't engage with people such as me. Do you know why?
Defend the reliability of the New Testament.
You engage with people.
The New Testament and the Quran.
Reliability of the New
How many Muslims would like a comparative defense of
You know, I'm not interested
the origin of Islam and origin of
in
Christianity?
anything with you. Nothing now. Touch me, I've got your face.
Hamza, why are you getting upset?
Out of my face.
Sure. No, I'm. Are you going to retire?
Stop begging. Stop begging.
Are you going to retire sometime soon?
Stop begging, mate. Stop begging. Just
Okay, that's fine. Asking Hamza to defend Islam is begging
No, it's the way you approach him.
in his mind.
It's the way you approach him.
I approached him in few different ways. How did you approach
You
him?
think you have the right?
How did you approach him?
in a calm manner, man.
In a calm manner. He approached.
Yeah, no, but like,
So listen to your brother.
Debating.
Listen to your brother, please. Your brother says he approached in a calm manner. Hamza still won't. But maybe not today. Maybe some other time, Hamza.
See, here's the thing, right?
Yeah.
I don't reward bad behaviour. This is bad behaviour.
You think so?
Yes. So if I say leave, leave. And then I'll consider maybe another time, maybe.
Maybe another time.
But not now.
But as long as it's not now, Hamza is happy. Cool. Lovely. Hamza, lovely to speak to you.
Next time you can come and you can say, Hamza, last time you told me that I was behaving badly and that you would leave, and maybe next time we could have a conversation.
So I need to go with your lies right now.
Yes.
I need to go with your lies.
Why is it a lie?
Well, because that's not the reason you gave first. The reason you gave first was that you wanted to discuss the historicity of the New Testament.
What did I say?
The New Testament.
I wanted to-
And because you said
I said I wanted to destroy this myth that I run away from knowledgeable Christians who can defend Christianity.
so that was your original reason. Now you're giving a completely new reason.
And then you started begging. Then you started behaving badly. Then you started hanging around and whinging and moaning and mivering. And then I just couldn't be bothered with you. Sure.
That's fine, Hamza. All that I wanted to.
Now, I'll never ever debate you.
Sure. It gives you good reason. Yeah, you have a good excuse right now. Absolutely, Hamza. Thank you very much, Hamza. You now have a very good reason. You have a very thank you. You have a very good reason. Hamza has a very good reason right now for not defending Islam at all. Interacting with me.
Yeah, exactly.
What is that?
Because you don't understand anything, whatever you heard, because your mind is stuck with whatever you hold in.
You're reading too much of Quran, sir. You're reading too much of Quran. You should stop reading the Quran to try and make sense. Hamza, lovely to see you.
had to learn. You had
Lovely
to
to see you.
debate just for, and run away.
Shake hands. Maybe not.
Definitely not.
Definitely not. Okay, that's fine. So Islam is indefensible and Islam is unfriendly.